Hello friend, I am Soumyadeep back to with new tutorial video regarding RCC design. In my last video, I shared what is the aim of RCC. Okay, so in case you missed this video, there is a I button or you can go to the playlist section and you watch my last video. Today, from this video, we'll learn assumptions of working stress method. By the way, working stress method is a shortcut or abbreviation from that is WSM. And number two, what is the disadvantage? These two things we discuss in this video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely like the video because it helps the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. First, we talk about our assumptions. Before starting the assumption, one thing I want to share with you. WSM is the first and oldest method. Okay. From here, the design is started. Number one assumption. Plane section before bending will remain after bending. These whole assumptions come from pure bending chapter from SOM. I mean to say SHOP, strength of material. From pure bending chapter, we find this diagram where load is applied in this way, then the deflection pattern will be this. So here compression will be generated, here tension will be generated, and this is our midsection. So this midsection is neutral. Why neutral? That means here is no compression, no tension. That is why they are saying plane section before bending will remain after bending. Remain plane after bending. Okay. So understanding this statement, from this statement we can say these whole assumptions consider or obey the elastic theory. Why elastic theory? Because the first statement is from pure bending and pure bending also from elastic theory. So this is definitely, I can say, this is maintain or obey the elastic theory. Number three, as both are considering or obeying the elastic theory, then bond between concrete and steel are perfect. Number four, I am seeing here tension is acting or generated here. So tension, force or moment taking by reinforcement as steel. Understand? We are talking about WSM, but the first line itself saying everything. Plane section before bending will remain plane after bending. This is come from pure bending, and this pure bending has some diagram, this diagram, and from this diagram every assumption is coming. That is why I am saying that Always go with the concept, always go with the fundamental, because everything comes from your fundamental knowledge. Okay, and your job is that just link with your fundamental, then everything will be very much clear to you. Okay, so tension taking by our reinforcement. So who is taking the compression? Definitely compression कौन लेंगे? Compression लेंगे आपका concrete. As well as concrete has some tensile force. So we don't consider tensile property of concrete. Then in WSM there is a modular ratio that is denoted by M. When we'll start our designs, then we'll talk about this modular ratio, but here just know that modular ratio is the elasticity of steel by elasticity of concrete. That is your modulus ratio. And as we are saying that considering or obeying elastic theory, then we can say strain profile of steel and RCC is straight line. That is why we have to draw, this is the strain profile. Now those who are reading the RCC for next time, second time, third time, just go with this. Just think about that. Always you draw this figure. But why? Because in WSM assumption we are saying that strain profile of steel and concrete is straight line. That is why this is our strain profile. Yeah. So these are the assumptions of working stress method. Okay. So हम ये लेके काम कर रहे थे, but after working lots of years, gradually we found some disadvantage. First disadvantage, dimensions are very much bigger. Like मान लो बीम का क्रॉस सेक्शन आ रहा है 500 to 900, दिस इज बीम का एक वो हो रहा है, आई मीन टू से डायमेंशंस. स्लैब का डेप्थ आ रहा है 350 अबव्स. सो दिस द मेजर इशू number 1, the bigger dimension issue. Number 2, when we starting the design in practical scenario, there is issue like shrinkage, creep means gradual loading, long term effect. So these all are not considering in working stress method. Number 3, degree of uncertainty missing, because in WSM method we are just considering the factor of safety of steel and concrete, not provision for loading condition. Number 4, there is no provision for serviceability. That means no attention for time of collapse. No attention, no warning, you can say it. Number 5, we are saying that they are obeying elastic theory. But first, I am saying concrete is not a elastic material, because elastic material has some ductile property whereas concrete has some brittle failure. So these are the few disadvantage. That is why we are thinking in our back of the mind there needs some new method, and then we are finally come to ultimate load method. Ultimate load method, ultimate stress method, both are same. So yeah, this is all about the working stress method, where I discuss about assumptions and disadvantage. So guys, if you have some doubt regarding this lecture, definitely do comment in comment section without your hesitation. I will definitely get back to you. And thank you very much for watching this video, and if you find some value from this video, definitely share the video with your friend circle, because it helps my YouTube algorithm and it's motivate me too much. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching this video. We'll meet with very soon with the ultimate load method. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.